If you are looking for a platform to build an online community, host courses, and manage memberships all in one place, you have probably come across Skool. In this review, I'll cover its main features, pricing, pros, cons, and whether it's worth using in 2026. And for now, let's get it started. What is Skool? Skool is an online community platform designed for creators, coaches, educators, and businesses. And instead of using separate tools for courses, community discussions, and membership management, Skool combines everything into a single platform. The main goal is to help creators build engaged communities while delivering educational content. Key features: Community Hub. The core feature of Skool is its community section. Members can create posts, comment, ask questions, and interact with each other in a simple Facebook style feed. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, which helps keep members active. Course hosting. Skool allows you to upload and organize online courses with lessons, videos, and downloadable resources. Everything is integrated directly into the community, so members can learn and engage without switching platforms. Gamification. One feature that makes Skool stand out is gamification. Members earn points on their activity, and those points can unlock rewards or course content. This encourages engagement and helps communities stay active. Member management. You can manage members, moderate discussions, and control access to courses and community content from a centralized dashboard. Pricing. Skool keeps its pricing simple. There is one main paid plan that includes community management, course hosting, gamification tools, and unlimited members. While it's more expensive than some basic community platforms, many users find it cost effective because it replaces multiple tools. Pros: Easy to use. The platform is extremely beginner friendly and requires very little setup. All in one solution. You get community features, courses, events, and member management in one place. Excellent engagement tools. Gamification and community focused design helped increase member participation. Clean interface. Both creators and members can navigate the platform without a steep learning curve. Cons: Limited customization. Compared to dedicated website builders, customization options are fairly limited. Higher cost for beginners. If you are just starting out, the monthly subscription may feel expensive. Not a full website builder. Skool focuses on community and courses rather than creating complete websites or sales funnels. Who should use Skool? Skool is best for online coaches, course creators, consultants, membership businesses, educational communities. If your main goal is building an engaged paid community, Skool is one of the strongest options available. However, if you need advanced website customization or marketing automation, you may need additional tools. Final verdict: Skool succeeds because it focuses on simplicity and engagement. It combines community management, course hosting, events, and gamification into a single, easy to use platform. Overall, Skool is one of the best community based learning platforms available today and is definitely worth considering if community engagement is your top priority. And that's all for this video. Please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching and goodbye.